In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Base44 account. Now, Base44 makes it simple to delete apps and cancel billing, but they don't provide a single delete account button in the public dashboard. So let's go over the steps you can take. First, start by deleting any apps you have. Open each app, go to the dashboard, then click Settings. Scroll down to the Danger Zone section and choose Delete App. Keep in mind this is permanent, so only confirm if you're sure. Once you delete your apps, your account will no longer have any active projects. Next, make sure to cancel your billing plan if you're on a paid subscription. Go to Settings, then Plans and Billing, and select the option to cancel. This will stop any future charges. Finally, if you still want your account completely removed, you'll need to contact Base44 support. Open a support ticket and request that your account be deleted. Their team will handle the process manually. And that's it. That's how you delete your Base44 account by removing apps, canceling billing, and reaching out to support. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Base44 guides.